Alright, so it seems my video cut off, I guess right before I did this part. But I just did a rectangle, drew it out, and then used the sub-select tool to change the angle of this. And then I just applied a color gradient, a linear gradient. You can do whichever one you want. And of course it's not going to look perfect, but that's what I made. So, and you can adjust accordingly all your values. So let's see. Yeah, so just kind of play around with that. But you do need to make sure that it doesn't just like stop. Like if your object moves and it's supposed to move with it, make sure you move it along as well. Okay, so I'm just going to play around with this. And then I'm just going to erase the rest of these frames. If I can get it to select off of it. So I don't want it to go the whole time. Remove frames. Alright. So if I play it, comes in, swoops down, pops up, and fires that, and obviously I need to fix this a little bit, bring it down. Alright, so basically anytime you need to add another object or shape or anything into it, just create a new layer so that you can easily just put it in for a couple of frames, take it out. Put it in for a couple of frames, take it out. And then if I wanted to kind of repeat that motion, I would just collect these 5 frames, copy them, and whenever it swooped down again, paste it on this timeline, and go from there. Alright, I might add a couple more things and post the final, but this is basically what you need to do. You need to have your object animate and kind of move around, swoop up and down, do some barrel rolls or something. Have another object flying through the air or shooting something from above, and it has to move it. So just kind of play around with it, get creative. By no means, if you turn in something like this, where it just kind of stops after that, then you're not going to get a good grade. This only accounts for 15 frames, so you're supposed to have 240 frames, so you can figure out the grade from that. So figure out 4 seconds worth of animations.